So this is how far I've got right now. I've done a bit more. So I work from this side that way because I'm right-handed. And you can see I've done all of the whites, although I do notice a bit more blue there. And I'm just going to do the nose. So I thought you might like to see, if I can do it, how I do the nose. So it's quite pink. So I've got a whole range of pinks. I've got the contrast, and I want this part of the nose to be stronger so it comes forward. So I'm going to start with this. It's not quite the right colour, but we can work on that. Can you see how it looks a bit more bluey? It looks a bit more blue in this area. So I'm looking for its purpley colour. I use a lot of, here it is, way over here. So it's this purple, but I've also picked up blue as well. So I'm going to make this part of the nose more blue. You can see that the hairs all go in the direction that they would grow. I'm going to smudge those in. This thing, which is called a stubby blender, it's just rolled up cardboard. Right, so I'm actually finding this way too hard to do one-handed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the phone down that I'm recording with, and I'll show you when I've finished.